Hi, this is gonna be second video of the day. A day of 14th. Date is 14th 14th July 2026. Time is about 7:45 p.m. I'm here. I was talking about my previous video of the day, first video of the day, about the West Drayton incident recently. That's the place, just by the tunnel over there. And that's the Heathrow Junction. You need to come after the junction for Holiday Inn. There's a tunnel there. That Indian uncle, he's here. One Indian young uncle was there also, just short while ago. They are waiting in the tunnel, so I'm just giving them a time. They're always there. In Indian movie, there was a one guy came from America. His son, there's a movie, Bollywood movie, Ek Aur Ek 11, I think. He said, Sanjay Dutt said, let the tunnel come. I just laughed at it. They swapped the identification. He was becoming beggar and all that stuff. The fake one got a gentleman, elite class. Let the tunnel. Boris Johnson said, light end of the tunnel. And there was a football, not this one, previous one. Match was happening. There's all the football match. Manufacturer is a city in Pakistan called Sialkot. This is a factory. Usually all the Olympics, football, lot of sports, international standard goes there, and World Cup also go there. So there was an incident. Just they were inaugurating recently built a motorway junction from Sialkot to Lahore and Rawalpindi junction one. And there was a rape happened. There was a Pakistani woman. They raped her just by at night time. She was driving to Sialkot football factory, and there was a big incident. Hoo-ha. And robbery happened, and then plus they raped her, and the IG turned off everything. Oh. And then beta Pakistan mein jean nahi dalte, daughter, don't put beta can be usually for male, but also can be used for daughter. But that's Pakistan mein jean nahi dalte, in Pakistan mein jean. I was wearing Primark 6 pound, 10 pound jean all the time. Look, I'm still wearing jean. Yeah. So that was if someone Google it or know that, and I was saying, बच्चे watch कर रहे थे, I नहीं, it was just made up, was staged, fixed, rape and all that, making the husband was in Paris with Giselle Peleca, I don't know, mind my French, why not in London? And that's it. That's the tunnel over there. Now always, every time there was a man there, gangsters there, sometime woman there, making connection in the tunnel, just nearby the they just incident happened in Pakistan, just by the motorway. Rape happened. Now they just try to connect this dark web for laugh. Indian thugs are dark skin, Kamala Harris one, slave or brown one. My eyes are Uzbek Genghis Khan look. They are onto me. They are onto my ex-wife and my daughters actually quite desperate. Asian wife. Usha. What's that? Vice President, US current Vice President. There's a youngster also. He's and Pakistani, and buses come touching the penises, telling that sporty, playing with the penis. Tell 25th April. 25th April. Sporty was next day. 26th April was going. King was going to USA. We do every day. Sporty was sporty. Uh, Tunnel. Let the tunnel come. You know, let's go, Boris Johnson. Boris Johnson. What's that? Andrew Burnham. Brahma close. Shiraja. No, Hebrew. No, Shiraja. Sharjah. Aircraft fly from Sharjah. Supposed to fly to 9 July. Supposed to go to Pakistan. 7-7 happened. Cargo air flight. MH370 happened. Shiraja, Sharjah, English happened. Brahma close, Brahma Ipswich, Brahm. Tabligh Jamaat. Muslim unto me, Tabligh, India. Islam in danger. Islam in danger. My bike fell down. Let's walk over there. The tunnel must be clear now. Yeah, made a gap now. Islam happened. Islam. Brahma close. Brahma. Brahm. Tabligh Jamaat run by Hindus. Indian Tabligh Jamaat. Muslim problem. Man. Sufi. Crusader. What's that? Church of England. First Archbishop of Canterbury. What happened to Solar City? It used to be lots of English flag. Now council given a fatwa, remove that. Confiscated, they say. This area is Javis, Defense Secretary. This area quite of English flags. The far right hijacked one. No, lot of Irish gypsy actually. They say we are English. They are quite far right, use English flags. How do I know that this area? Ivor, James Bond, Ivor Heath, Heathrow, this area. West Drayton, this area. Tunnel is over there. Let's go. You know the incident I was talking about? The car, his car fat, twice fatty than me. The very young English white, you know the white usually called here only English or British, not a Polish. But time has changed now. White teenagers, thugs, I don't know, feral they call them, even British. They war is God forbid, war is looming, domestic violence, civil war. Tell now British Scotland Yard that English. Andrew Burma, no Billy, was it? Andy Burnham selecting. Which Brahman I'm gonna select? James cleverly boat people. Some boats, some African slaves when they got freedom, they actually were. Onto me. Want to come? There's a tunnel over there. Look, I have to watch out. That's the tunnel. That's the motorway. Let the tunnel. Pakistani rape happened now. I just heard. Yeah, rape happened. Just by the transformer. Electricity. Near Hayes. I don't know which one was that. Heathrow incident happened. James from Sierra Leone war. Why so many wars in West Africa? Who sponsored that Boko Haram? James Cleverly, Foreign Secretary, Home Minister. They actually dumped. You know, when they got free and they want to go home. They are free. We are free. African slaves celebrated, black slaves. And they gave a boat to people smugglers, slave owners, slaves. They give money to. Thankfully, no one is in the tunnel at the moment because I gave a gap properly. Yeah, and just a historical event. Most of them people, they were dumped in Jamaican Caribbean islands, and they were told that's your Africa. They were already dumping lots of African Haiti, Donald Trump's gutter shithole. They were already dumping their people smugglers, boat people, slave owners. Yeah, they were dumping there, and James Cleverly, James Bond, na. Some of them, they were honest white boat banana republic, banana boat, but they literally took them back. They got their roots and ancestors. Grab them from tree. La hawla wala quwwata illa billah. Anyways, what I was saying, that was sarcastic. Lovely human being. Then they Sierra Leone. Many of them actually they gone back to Sierra Leone, Monrovia. What's that? Senegal, yeah. And Nigerian west coast of Africa, literally. So James Cleverly was picked up, had a white sperm because like Kamala Harris, white masters made a lot of fuck rape teenagers, not teenagers, even very 11-year, 12-year-old black girls shagged by the masters, raped, slave. Thankfully, they did not eat them, sell the organs. Slave owners, Darwin's was sponsored by the slave owners. Goi, subhuman Nazi. Hitler loved it for nothing. Hitler loved it for nothing. And that's it, I think. I think that should be enough. Just nearby my house. Okay, bye bye.